You know that feeling when you stand up, maybe after sitting for a long time or first thing in the morning, and your knees go snap, crackle, pop? Each step feels like a negotiation with your own body. Yeah, that used to be me. Every movement was a reminder of the discomfort. I dreaded hiking, squatting, even playing with my dog, activities I used to love without a second thought. Because joint pain always had a front row seat in my life, it dictated my plans and limited my joy. But then, I discovered a simple, delicious anti-inflammatory drink, a golden elixir that promised relief. That changed everything. It wasn't a miracle cure, but it was a significant step towards reclaiming my body. And honestly, it's so easy to make, even on the busiest of days. And your taste buds will thank you. It's a treat for your body and a delight for your senses. Let me show you how I whip up my daily golden tonic, a ritual that I look forward to every day, for happy joints and a happier me. It's about more than just the drink, it's about a commitment to well-being. First up, turmeric, the star of our show. This golden spice looks like sunshine, a vibrant reminder of the warmth and energy it brings, and fights inflammation like a superhero. It's a natural powerhouse with centuries of traditional use. I toss a generous teaspoon into my mug. Don't be shy, turmeric is your friend. Next, ginger, the zesty sidekick. Fresh, zesty, and great for digestion. It adds a little zing and helps your body process everything. I peel a small knob and grate it in. The aroma alone is enough to wake you up. Feeling fancy? Add a pinch of black pepper. It might seem like a small addition, but it makes a big difference. It helps your body absorb all the goodness from turmeric, unlocking its full potential. So don't skip it. It's the key to maximizing the benefits of this drink. I squeeze in half a lemon, adding a burst of sunshine and flavor, for vitamin C and brightness, giving your immune system a little boost. Then a drizzle of honey, adding a touch of sweetness and comfort, for sweetness and its own soothing powers. Honey has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Finally, I pour in hot water, the final touch that brings everything together. Give it a stir, watching the colors blend and the spices infuse, and breathe in that cozy aroma. Let the steam envelop you and relax your senses. Seriously, it's like a warm hug in a cup. A moment of peace and comfort in a busy day. Now let's talk benefits. Beyond the delicious taste, this drink is packed with goodness. Turmeric and ginger are bursting with compounds, working together to support your health. Like curcumin and gingerol, the active ingredients that give these spices their power. Natural anti-inflammatories that help calm angry joints, reducing swelling and discomfort, and keep your body moving smoothly, supporting flexibility and ease of movement. They're backed by science, with numerous studies highlighting their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And I really felt the difference after just a couple of weeks. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but a gradual improvement in my overall well-being. But here's the secret, the real magic behind this drink. It's not just about the ingredients, although they are incredibly beneficial. It's about making time for yourself, every day, creating a moment of self-care and intention, to nourish and heal from the inside out. It's about connecting with your body and giving it what it needs. I started feeling lighter, more energetic, and more connected to my body. My morning stiffness faded, replaced by a sense of ease and flexibility, and soon I was back to hiking, dancing, enjoying the activities that bring me joy, and living my life without those achy interruptions, reclaiming my freedom and vitality. If you want to give your joints some love and show your body some appreciation, try this golden blend. It's a simple act of self-care that can make a big difference. You can enjoy it hot or iced, depending on your mood and the weather. Morning or evening, whatever fits your vibe. Make it a part of your daily routine whenever it feels best for you. And get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and additions. Add a splash of coconut milk for creaminess, creating a richer and more indulgent experience. Or cinnamon for extra flavor, adding a warm and comforting touch. So, next time you're in the kitchen, surrounded by the aromas of home, grab those healing spices, the natural remedies that can support your well-being, and make yourself a cup of joint joy. A simple act of self-care that can bring comfort and relief. It tastes amazing, a delightful blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. And your joints will love you for it. Here's to happy joints and a vibrant, active life.